video training, we're going to walk you through how to set up your Meta business account so that you can create an ad account for running your Facebook and Instagram ads in your Meta Business Suite. First thing is to log into your personal Facebook account in order to be able to complete the remaining steps of this setup process. Once done, head to business.facebook.com/overview in order to get to this screen to get started. Once here, go ahead and create an account. In your pop-up, you will see that you will need to add your business name. This is the name of your business. Your name should automatically populate if you've logged into your Facebook account. Otherwise, please make sure you've logged into your Facebook account. And then add in your business email. This is the email that you want to use to conduct company business. And it's also the email that you will get the link to verify this process for you afterwards. Once done, go ahead and hit submit. Now, I've already created business managers. You're only allowed so many business accounts for each person. So once you've reached that limit, unfortunately, you cannot create any more. So go ahead and finalize the remaining steps, which is a couple more questions that will get you set up with starting. Once you've gone through that process, you should land on a screen similar to this, which is the inside of your Meta Business Suite, which is your accounts. This is everything under the Meta umbrella that you can access through your business suite, including your Facebook pages, your Instagram, your WhatsApp, and your ad accounts. If you have a different screen or you want a different way to get to this, down here, you can click the cog for settings and it will refresh the page for you. And I think it defaults to land on people. Under people, this tells you all of the people that will have access to your business account. Now, with you just creating your first business account, this will obviously just have your name. It should automatically be there because you're the one who created it. Under business assets, this is where all of the assets to your business is going to be. So we're going to add Facebook pages, Instagram pages, any WhatsApp accounts will all be listed under these assets. Now, again, if you've started, you won't have anything here. So we're going to go ahead and add your first Facebook page. This should be blank. And then we're going to go ahead and add assets. So here you can see all of the assets that you can add to your business account. As I said, you can add your Facebook page, your Instagram, and your WhatsApp account through this process. We're going to select the Facebook page to add our page in. So you'll have a couple options. The first one is to create a new page. So if you have not yet created a Facebook page, you can go ahead and create it through here. You can claim an existing page. This means if you've already created a page and you want to link it to this business manager, you can do it through there. And then you can request to share a business page. This does not apply for most businesses, as this will be for anyone running agencies who need access to multiple pages. So if you have not created a page, go ahead and fill in the information provided here to create your Facebook page and select done. If you want to claim an existing page, so you've already created your Facebook page and you want to move it into this account, click the claim, and then you are going to grab your Facebook page name or the URL here, which should populate. Now we can take a look and see, and you'll see that the drop down will it'll bring up your page that you can then claim to it if you see it there. Complete the settings to confirm, and your page should then show up under the pages. You can complete this process with your Instagram account as well. The only thing with Instagram is you have to already have created an Instagram account in that platform, and then you'll be able to claim that Instagram account through your business page here. The next step is to create your ad account. So select Ad Accounts and select Ad Assets. And down here, you'll see Advertising, and you'll have a couple options in which you can use. So you'll see Ad Account, Custom Conversions, adding a pixel, events, etc. For the sake of this training, we're going to worry just about the ad account. So similar to our Facebook page, you can create a new ad account directly in here. If you had a previous business manager or you have multiple ad accounts that you want to have access to other business managers, You can also claim an existing ad account. This is the ad account number will be listed in your business manager for that ad, and you can go ahead and claim it through here. Or you can request to share an ad account. Again, this is only for businesses who are running agencies and have multiple clients, so you don't need to worry about that. So we're going to go ahead and create a new account. So from here, we're going to add our account name. In this case, I'm going to add another ad account. You're going to select your time zone, so make sure you pick the one that is for you. And then your currency is whatever currency that you work in and use. Hit next. And then you'll see that this account is being created under your business account, and it's listed there, and create an account. The next step will add your payments, and we will show you that in a further training. And then there you go. You have your ad account added to your business manager, which is where we're going to continue in our next training.